Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
We can have Trent Hayes come forward, please. Hello, sir. Can I have you state your name and date of birth, please, for the record?
Trent Hayes, 3/24/95.
Thank you, Mr. Hayes. I'm just getting your paperwork pulled up here. Give me just a moment. All right. I last saw you on the 6th of November. The extended jurisdiction to the end of February. So you were in compliance as of the 11th of December.
Oh yeah, he's getting.
And I need you to mute yourself. You are in court. Looks like the last report we have from A Better Way Counseling is from the 11th of December. And it shows that you're in good compliance with your treatment. You've got to be nearing the 52 weeks. Am I correct with that?
I think by math, it's about the end of February.
Okay.
I did talk to the counselors, hit some financial hardships about the one-on-ones.
Okay.
Just schedule them when I can.
Well, why don't we set you out to that week before the end of jurisdiction right now, the 19th? And if you could just ask your treatment provider to send an update regarding the progress with treatment, that would be great. So I'll see you back February 19th, 2026 at 1:30. We'll get you that document at the desk by the door, and then you're free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Tyler Hosney or Hosney? Hello, sir. Can I have you state your name and date of birth for the record?
Tyler Hosney, 12/28/99.
All right. So I was looking at this. Tell me about the discovery program you've completed.
Yeah, that was at the Harbor in Portland. It was a 5-week program. It was an inpatient program, so I just got out there like a week ago.
Yeah. Congratulations. They had sent the paperwork for that. That's wonderful. I think, Madam Clerks, can you help me out? This is a stay that was entered last February. I know there's a stay balance owing. That's fine. Yeah. Tell me about where you are financially right now, Tyler.
Right now I'm looking for another job since after the 5-week program, I don't really have any hours anymore, so I'm looking for another job currently.
Okay. Yeah, it seems like there's a stay balance remaining. Right now, jurisdiction goes to the end of February. One of the things we could do if the city's in agreement with it, he's in compliance with all his other conditions other than financials, is maybe to set this towards the end of March. You think that would be sufficient enough time for kind of building the finances a little bit?
Yeah, that would definitely help a lot.
Are you comfortable with doing the extending the jurisdiction?
That should be fine.
Okay. The inpatient, yep. So jurisdiction will be extended to March 31st, 2026. I'm going to set a review date for March 19th. Hopefully at that time, we'll be able to kind of assess where you are financially, hopefully job stuff and all that kind of thing. Okay.
All right.
All right, Mr. Hosney, we'll get you some paperwork at the desk by the door. Once you have that, you are free to go. Probation documents on both gentlemen are ready.
All right. Thank you.
That's okay. Alex Marin Arzola. How are you doing, sir?
Doing good, you?
I'm doing well. You've done a good job of kind of moving through things. The last thing I think that we were looking at was that mental health evaluation. What can you tell me about that?
Yeah, I'm still trying to work on it. I've been going these past few days, and then
You've been what?
I've been going, like trying to get a class. But
Yeah.
they always I went and they told me that they're not available right now, or they're too full. I tried to go
Okay.
yesterday and then said the same thing. So I was like,
Where
okay.
have you been trying to go? Columbia River Mental Health or CMAR?
Seymour.
CMAR. Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
Because I went to the other ones, the Columbia one, and they said they didn't do those there. So
okay.
then,
So
yeah.
you've been trying, did you go to the CMAR here in Battleground?
No, I went to the one in the 317.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we see if Ms. Kilborn can come in just momentarily? Thank you. Our community court coordinator used to work for CMAR. So hopefully she can maybe give you some direction on the best way to go about getting this taken care of.
All right.
So I think I'm going to introduce you to her. I'm going to assign a future court date and you can maybe talk to her and see if we can get kind of a reference point to get started on that because you've done everything else, right?
Yeah.
So it's on a last step and we're kind of just cycling on this last step.
All right. Thank you.
So this is Alex up here at the podium. He has done a wonderful job on his probation. He is having an issue with getting a mental health evaluation. He's been trying to work through CMAR. And I said, hey, we have a resource that he may be able to talk to just to figure out maybe what his next steps are to get that accomplished. Can you talk to him for a minute after I get his court date set over? Okay. So Alex, I'm going to have you come back on the 12th of March. I'm going to have you talk to Ms. Kilborn today. Hopefully she can give you a resource and point you in the right direction for getting that last step taken care of. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
You said the 12th of March?
12th of March at 1:30, and I'll get you some paperwork by the door as well. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Sounds good. Not the file, just the paperwork after we sign off on it. Yep. All right, Jennifer, can you take yourself off of mute? Sounds like you're on the road.
Yeah.
Got a co-pilot there, huh?
Yeah. Yep. My significant other.
Well, as long as you're in the passenger seat.
Yep. I'm in the passenger side. I don't do the whole driving thing. No.
Say, from time to time, as you know, I have people on trying to do court and drive, so we don't want to do that.
No.
Can you tell me a little bit about how things are going?
Oh, no. What was that? I'm sorry.
I was asking if you tell me a little bit about how things were going. We were talking about, just looking at my notes here. Talked about that you were doing some community service right now, and you were going to get some documents that showed us that have been completed.
Yeah. I've actually completed it and I've actually done more. But I've been trying to get a hold of I've been out of town for a week and a half. Kind of got stuck doing this load, but anyway, I haven't been able to like touch bases with them, but I've completed that, and I actually sent you an email. I'm not sure if it went through. I got a notification from the clerk stating that they got my email from the doctor.
I got from the doctor, like I said, I think the things that we were looking at, Jennifer, was the proof of the community service, and then there's $258 in restitution. So those were kind of the two things. And I saw you in December that we were setting this case out to kind of get some traction on. So I'll set it out again, but I have kind of an expectation that we've taken some steps and you've got some documents to us before the next court date, okay?
Oh yeah, that won't be a problem at all. I've already completed the community service. I just need that proof.
All right, Jennifer, so I'm going to set this out to the 19th of February. That's going to be your next court date. And I'd like some progress on the restitution and the paperwork in regards to community service, okay?
Okay, and how much was that restitution again?
$258.
Okay. That shouldn't be a problem to have.
Well, I'm
taken
sorry,
care of by
Jennifer. I misread 858. I apologize.
858. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to go on a payment plan because that's my whole income. a
And
month.
again, we just need to have you start making some payments. There hasn't been any yet, okay?
Okay.
We have an address for you on Pleasant View Drive in Gresham. Is that the mailing address you'd like us to use?
Yes, please.
All right, we'll see you back on February 19th. Drive safe.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Take care.